Finding a job or doing a business is very similar to dating.
I think within 2 to 3 days of the job getting posted, if you apply, you get the first mover's advantage there.
One day I apply to 50 jobs, then I disappear for 10 days. 5 episodes, 5 employees, 5 industry experts. Real career challenges, real solutions.
Like right now AI बहुत speed से change हो रहा है, right? How do we keep up with it?
I'm sure Ayushman, if you notice a good candidate in comments or someone makes a reel and tags you,
Correct.
and you genuinely think ये बंदा अच्छी editing कर रहा है, script writer है, you may end up hiring him at some point.
Definitely. Don't think कि मैं AI कैसे डालूं. Genuinely AI को use करके कुछ भी बनाओ.
So social media platforms में इतना brain rot है कि मेरा खुद का screen time कब 9-10 घंटे चला जाता है weekends.
It's important to have one place where I have a curated feed and I get all the updates, no ads, no noise, and it's a focused feed. True.
So Naukri Minis is the only doom scrolling which will genuinely help you. That is what I
True.
believe.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dhairya Decodes channel and welcome to yet another episode of Naukri 360 presents Career Ka Control Room. In today's episode, we're going to be joined by a very interesting guest and expert for today, Ayushman Pandita. He is the founder of Growth Rocket, which is an AI marketing company and a content creator with over 1.9 million plus followers across social media. His content majorly focuses on AI and business as a niche. And in today's episode, as the candidate, we're going to be joined by Banisha. Banisha is a social media manager at an MNC with over 1+ years of experience. And in today's episode, हम decode करेंगे Banisha की problem around how with AI coming in, the world being dominated with so much information and overflow of information, the hiring trends changing, and no single place to go to understand how you can stay updated and upskilled. How is it that people in the corporate world like Banisha can upskill, stay up to date, and stand out because there's so much of information? So we'll obviously dive deeper into the problem. Welcome to this episode, and let's get started, Ayushman and Banisha. So Ayushman, let's start with understanding a little bit about Banisha's problem from her, and if we can know a little bit about how do you think you even realize this is an issue, and what is it stopping you from achieving at the moment as a professional?
So I feel like as a social media manager and as someone who's very chronically online as a 22-year-old, so I feel like right now the market, the platforms that we are using, all social media platforms are quite saturated in all the fields, not even AI, like every field you see, lifestyle, corporate, every field is really saturated. And when I look at the platform, I just don't know whom to follow. Like kiski advice leni hai, kiski advice nahi leni, like who is genuine, who's not. So I'm not able to identify that. So that's a real problem that I'm facing. And I feel like many more people like me who are like in their 22, in their 20s, I think similar problem like they are also facing. So that's the issue.
But because of not being able to identify that, Banisha, आपको क्या लगता है? What is it stopping you from achieving from a corporate workplace and progress standpoint in your job search? आप नहीं identify कर पा रहे हो who to follow, but what problem is it creating for you in the aspect of growing as an employee?
So, growing as a social media manager, I feel like all the brands right now are like completely like blindly following trends. Like there is so much AI slop that I am like right now seeing in all the brands, like the assets they are making, you know, the social media feeds, it all looks the same. So I feel like there's no human connection. There's I just feel like it like kind of all looks the same to me. That is the problem that I face as a social media manager. Like how do I segregate my brand from others in the same feed?
Got it. No, that's a very valid problem. Ayushman runs a company in the social media space himself and also in the AI niche. So I think Ayushman, inputs from you here would be really helpful. आपको क्या लगता है? How can we, start with solving her problem?
For sure. See, I'll tell you two things over here. इस question के यहाँ दो answers हैं.
Okay.
पहला आंसर है you are seeing so much AI slop.
Yeah.
Do you know why you are seeing so much AI slop? Because people are watching so much AI slop. अगर किसी चीज की इतनी ज्यादा सप्लाई है तो naturally उसकी डिमांड भी है. तो ऑप्शन नंबर 1 is that you become the best at making AI slop. कि आप AI slop तो anyway चल रहा है तो मैं बेस्ट बना दूंगी. But if that is something you don't really want, you don't want to work mechanically कि मैं बस best algorithmic video बनाती हूँ. You want to take the creative route कि I need to have a particular taste. In that case, everyone making so much AI slop is your unfair advantage. If I am a recruiter, मैं देख रहा हूँ कि यार 10 बंदे AI slop बना रहे हैं. On the other hand, there is this one girl जो बहुत ही creative UGC videos बनाती है. तो जो 10 बंदे AI slop बना रहे हैं, उनका अपने में competition है. उनमें से कोई एक बंदा choose होगा, उसका सिर्फ 10% चांस है होने का. बट ये एक लड़की है जो बहुत क्रिएटिव कंटेंट बनाती है और इसके जैसा मुझे कोई भी नहीं मिल रहा. तो मैं आपको हायर करूंगा और आपका हायर होने के चांस मच मोर ज्यादा होंगे. तो the very problem that you're talking about is actually your unfair advantage for your specific question.
But it depends on her how she leverages it.
Exactly. मतलब you only said कि इतना सारा AI slop है तो मैं कैसे stand out करूँ? Answer is simple. You don't make AI slop. You make the content as human as possible or you make the output as human as possible. भले ही वो backend में AI को use करता हो.
Yeah, fair point. I think with that leads me to a question that will make sense here. Banisha, as a candidate, as an employee in the job market, working in a corporate, workplace, when you think about staying updated, upskilling yourself, because continuous learning is the way to go in the AI world, right? When you want updates on hiring trends, what's happening in the AI world, interview tips, hacks, resumes, आज के दिन में आप कहाँ जाते हो? ये information कैसे gain करते हो? Because it's important for both of us to know what's your current source of information.
So, if you see nowadays, and if you see like, I don't know, 5 to 10 years back, people used to go on YouTube for the same. But right now we have so many creators on Instagram that there's so much source of information present, and I have one or two like people that I rigorously follow, and I like उनकी मैं tips मांगती हूँ, उनकी tricks मांगती हूँ, and I apply that tips and tricks to my like professional life. And I feel like the content that they're making is really genuine, and I can trust a person who is saying that he or she has maybe 10 or 15 years of experience in the field. So I think I would rather trust that person more rather than trusting some random, career guru. So that's
Fair
it.
enough. If you are a fan of someone and you follow them, then you are following them as a fan. इसमें तो कोई problem
Yeah,
नहीं है.
I think
What is your problem? Concern क्या है? Like, what is the thing which you want the answer to?
so. My question is like right now AI बहुत speed से change हो रहा है, right? And every day you see like एक नया feature आ रहा है, Claude का एक नया feature आ रहा है, ChatGPT का एक नया feature आ रहा है. So how do we keep up with it? Because as a creator also आप रोज तो कोई नई वीडियो नहीं बनाओगे कि okay एक ट्रेंड फिर दूसरा feature फिर तीसरा feature. So as a professional working in maybe marketing or any other field, like how do I keep myself updated?
Very good question. See, मैं हर एक को ना दो चीजें बोलता हूँ जो AI में अपने आप को अपडेटेड रखना चाहता है, and I think हर एक को रखने की जरूरत है. AI में ना आपको दो कैटेगरी ऑफ अपडेटेड रहना है, या फिर AI में आपको दो कैटेगरी ऑफ क्रिएटर्स को फॉलो करना है. फर्स्ट विल बी दैट कैटेगरी जो आपको AI की जनरल न्यूज एंड अपडेट्स शेयर करके बता दे, सो दैट यू सिंपली नो कि AI की दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है. AI ने कंटेंट बनाया, AI ने वेबसाइट बना दी, AI ने रोबोट बना दिया. It's very important as a professional to stay up to date and aware with what is happening around the world, especially in the field of AI. So category 1 will give you like the overview or the news of everything that is going on in AI.
Surface level.
Surface level. And I think the best creator to follow is a guy called Ayushmann Pandita. Apparently he's an expert in this field. So
You should definitely follow him.
मैं उसको follow
I have
करता हूँ.
heard very good things about him.
हाँ. Secondly, second category है उन creators की जो आपके particular industry या niche का specialized content बनाते हैं. So if someone is let's say from an engineering background, आप उन creators को follow करो जो AI coding के बारे में content बनाते हैं, जिनके शायद millions of views नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि बहुत niche है, but आपके industry में वो बहुत relevant है. Let's say you want to get into AI marketing only, AI content creation only, तो आप ऐसे creators को follow करो जो AI को use करके अच्छी videos बनाना सिखाते हैं.
Or if they're helping businesses scale,
Or if they're
leveraging
helping
AI,
businesses
building
scale.
workflows for them,
हाँ,
whatever.
if there is a founder जो अपने आप को अपडेटेड रखना चाहता है, उसके लिए कैटेगरी होगा ऐसा कोई भी क्रिएटर जो AI टूल्स को यूज करके आप अपने वर्कफ्लो में अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कैसे इंप्लीमेंट कर सकते हो, उनको फॉलो करो. सो हैव दोस टू कैटेगरीज. वन, the guy or the girl who will help me in staying up to date with whatever is happening in AI. Secondly, वो जो मेरे को डायरेक्टली मेरे काम में हेल्प करेगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू बी अपडेटेड, बी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. ठीक है, हर चीज देखो. इफ देयर इज समथिंग जिसके बारे में आप हैंड्स ऑन सीखना चाहते हो, या उसको सीखना है कि मैं इंप्लीमेंट कैसे करूं अपने काम में, या इसमें अपस्किल कैसे करूं, सर्च दैट टॉपिक ऑन यूट्यूब में जो भी हाईएस्ट व्यूड वीडियो होगी उसको आप देख लो. आई थिंक दैट इज द बेस्ट वे टू अपस्किल योरसेल्फ व्हेन इट कम्स टू AI.
And I think also, Banisha, adding on to what Ayushman mentioned, while obviously there is social media and you can always go to it, and there are creators like us sharing information, it's very important to have one place to go to. I think the problem right now is also it's an extension to your problem कि information बहुत ज़्यादा है, and if you get that without any promotions, no ads, no noise, and it's a focused feed, I'm sure you would appreciate that.
या डेफिनेटली आई थिंक वो तो बहुत ही मतलब कुछ अमेजिंग हो जाएगा कि ऐसी
Yeah.
कोई फीड रियली एग्जिस्ट करती है.
Exactly.
सो सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स में इतना ब्रेन रॉट है कि मेरा खुद का स्क्रीन टाइम कब 9-10 घंटे चला जाता है वीकेंड्स में, मुझे खुद को नहीं पता चलता.
Endless scrolling.
या एंडलेस स्क्रोलिंग. बट हाँ, अगर कोई ऐसी फीड हो, लाइक कोई मैजिकल फीड जिस पे सिर्फ ऐसे काम की चीज आती हो, तो दैट वुड एक्चुअली बेनिफिट अ लॉट ऑफ.
है मैजिकल फीड है. I don't know if Ayushman knows about it or you know about it, but Naukri has got on their in-house app a curated career and workplace feed which is called Naukri Minis. It gathers all the information that you need to be updated on hiring trends, job trends, or if you want to just prep before an interview, right? You have 10 minutes, you have to spend just 5 minutes and you need to go through the content and just upskill yourself very quickly. You can get all the information there. I'm on Minis as well and I create content there. There are other career and education creators too. It's free to use and access and it's a curated feed, right? So it's 100% focus, zero noise. So I definitely feel you should check it out, Banisha. And obviously as we progress, I'll try and show it to you also so that you understand the UI, what kind of creators are creating content and what kind of bite-sized information you could get, right? Also, Banisha, if you have any questions from Ayushman when it comes to hiring or job search, interview prep, or anything else, how to stay updated, etc., I think it's a good place to ask him that. Because after this, what we're going to do is we're going to move into a very fun segment of the show, which is the gamified segment. So before that, if you have any questions that you want to ask him, please feel free to.
सो फॉलोइंग अप ऑन व्हाट आयुष्मान सेड, सो आजकल रिक्रूटर्स बहुत बोलते हैं कि एआई पे आपने क्या करके दिखाया हमें बताओ. बहुत वर्ड्स हमें सुनने को बोल रहे हैं, वर्क फ्लो, मेक वर्क फ्लो, एआई वर्क फ्लोज इन एवरी फील्ड. एंड पीपल राइट नाउ हैव नो आइडिया. दे नो कि एआई से हमें कुछ बनाना है, क्या बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है. दे डोंट हैव एनी आइडिया. सो लाइक व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट?
So I think the best thing to do is कि आप simply किसी भी social media platform पे जाओ, preferably जहाँ पे आप long form videos देख पाओ, and वहाँ पे आप simply search करो how to use AI for whatever work you are doing. So if you are a content creator or if you do social media, simply go to any platform and say how to use AI for creating UGC ads. या अगर कोई इंसान एक वेब डेवलपर है या टेक में काम करता है, how to use AI for creating websites. Simply search that. And for everything you will find a lot of use cases. It's not like कि एक particular AI tool पूरा का पूरा काम करके दे देगा. कुछ अलग अलग स्टेप्स में अलग अलग चीजें होंगी. कहीं पे आपको एक एआई टूल मिलेगा, लेट्स से स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग करने के लिए, कोई एआई टूल मिलेगा एडिटिंग करने के लिए, कोई एआई टूल मिलेगा पूरी की पूरी वीडियो बनाने के लिए. तो सिंपली सर्च फॉर दैट, एक्सप्लोर व्हाटएवर इज ओवर देयर, एंड व्हिचएवर वीडियो यू फाइंड द बेस्ट फॉर योर पर्टिकुलर यूज केस, ट्राई टू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट. एंड वंस यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट हैंड्स ऑन, आपको खुद रियलाइज होने लगता है अच्छा यार इस चीज के लिए भी एआई यूज हो सकता है, उस चीज के लिए भी यूज हो सकता है. दैट इज द वे टू गो.
Got it. Also, I have one more question. So, I also make content, like personal life content for myself. So, as a person who is handling both content creation and, you know, a corporate life, how do I find my niche? Like right now on any social media platform, as I've mentioned, it's quite saturated and सबने सब type का content बना रखा है. कॉर्पोरेट में भी है लोग, लाइफस्टाइल में भी है. सो अब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं उस चीज़ में कैसे पिवट करूं, कैसे मैं अपनी एक पहचान ढूंढूं.
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. सो इसके दो आंसर्स हैं. पहला आंसर है जो 99% लोगों के लिए वैलिड होता है. मैं हर एक को कहता हूँ जस्ट पिक अप व्हाटएवर सब्जेक्ट यू कैन टॉक अबाउट फॉर आवर्स. हर इंसान की लाइफ में ना एक वो कोई सब्जेक्ट होता है या टॉपिक होता है जिसके बारे में वो घंटों बात कर सकता है. किसी के लिए वो हो सकता है पॉलिटिक्स एंड करंट अफेयर्स, देन उनको एक पॉलिटिकल क्रिएटर बनना चाहिए. किसी के लिए हो सकता है स्पोर्ट्स एंड क्रिकेट, तो उसे क्रिकेट के बारे में कंटेंट बनाना चाहिए. मेरे लिए आज से 5 साल पहले वो था फाइनेंस, तो आई स्टार्टेड आउट एज अ फाइनेंस क्रिएटर. क्योंकि कंटेंट क्रिएशन में आपको बहुत वीडियोस डालनी है, बहुत बातें करनी है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली आपको बातें करने में मजा आना चाहिए. तो इफ यू पिक अ नीश जो वैसे अच्छी है बट यू आर नॉट पैशनेट अबाउट इट, देन आप एक महीने बाद वैसे भी
you can't sustain
sustain नहीं कर पाओगे.
This career path requires you to keep at it continuously and you really have to be interested in the subject, to be updated in it yourself, to keep knowing what's going on, do
Correct.
the research, shoot, reshoot. It's a set repeat cycle, right? Yeah.
So and also I've like heard a lot of people saying that कि content creation में घुस जाओ भाई, मतलब अंधा पैसा है content creation में, आप घुसोगे आप पैसा कमाना स्टार्ट कर दोगे. बट पर्सनली जब मैं इस फील्ड में आई मैंने ये नहीं देखा, लाइक आई हैव पोस्टेड लाइक मे बी 10 to 20 वीडियोज़ बट आई हैव not seen any growth, like not even one band collaboration. So how do I deal with it?
देखो, पहली बात तो कंटेंट क्रिएशन में अंधा पैसा है, ठीक है, बट अंधा पैसा हर एक को नहीं मिलेगा, है ना. अंधा पैसा उसी को मिलेगा जो उस अंधा पैसा कमाने वाला कंटेंट बनाएगा.
True.
एंड कंटेंट क्रिएशन में बेसिकली एसिमेट्रिकल रिटर्न्स मिलते हैं. व्हाट आर एसिमेट्रिकल रिटर्न्स? एसिमेट्रिकल रिटर्न्स मतलब अगर मैंने किसी काम के लिए इतना एफर्ट डाला है तो अगले महीने शायद इतना ही रिटर्न आएगा, उसके अगले महीने भी मैं इतना ही एफर्ट डालूंगा बट फिर इतना रिटर्न आएगा, उसके महीने में बाद इतना ही एफर्ट डाल रहा हूँ बट फिर इतना रिटर्न आएगा. मेरे जो रिटर्न्स है वो एक्सपोनेंशियली बढ़ रहे हैं.
It's not a
And
linear curve.
इट्स नॉट अ लीनियर कर्व. एंड किसी भी एक्सपोनेंशियल रिटर्न में ना जो शुरुआत का पार्ट होता है वो बिल्कुल फ्लैट होता है. यू डोंट सी एनी रिजल्ट, बट दैट डजंट मीन रिजल्ट आने नहीं वाला.
That's why most people stop. That's why most people
Exactly.
stop and give up also.
आई कैन टेल यू दैट मैंने अपने कंटेंट क्रिएशन की जर्नी में पहले 2 साल जितना पैसा कमाया उतना पैसा मैं एक ब्रांड डील से कमा लेता हूँ. मैं अपने पहली जॉब जो मैं करता था उससे मैं जितने पैसे कमा रहा था उतने पैसे मैंने रिसेंटली एक ब्रांड डील से कमा लिए जो मेरे पूरे साल की जॉब थी.
Yeah.
बट पहले 1 साल मैं अपनी सैलरी का 10% भी नहीं कमाता था पर मंथ.
Yeah.
अगर मैं उस वक्त ही गिव अप कर देता तो मैं आज वो एसिमेट्रिकल रिटर्न्स अर्न नहीं करता. सो कंटेंट क्रिएशन में डेफिनेटली अंधा पैसा है, इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है, बट वो अंधा पैसा 2-3 साल के एफर्ट के बाद दिखना शुरू होता है. एटलीस्ट 1 साल के एफर्ट में कोई पैसा नहीं है, 1 से 2 साल के एफर्ट में you're like ठीक है कुछ तो आ रहा है, बट 2 साल के बाद यू स्टार्ट सीइंग कि ओके थिंग्स आर गेटिंग क्रेजी.
Yeah. Okay, so we are on to my favorite segment of the show, which is the gamified segment. In today's episode, Banisha and Ayushman, we're going to be playing a fun game called Content Pitch Room, Post It or Park It.
Okay.
Nothing complex. I'll simplify it for you. I'll tell you what the rules are even for the viewers. You basically have 3 pluck cards kept right in front of you. One says post it, the other says park it, the third one says need strategy. I am basically going to be giving you content ideas that a job seeker or a student would and should post about or not, right? So I'll give you the content ideas. If you think it should be posted, so you will pick up the posted placard. If you think you should park it and not post it, you pick that up.
Okay.
And if you feel it can be posted but it needs some strategy, you pick up the need strategy card. Whatever the two of you feel at the very instant, pick it up without looking at each other.
Okay.
And then let's see how it goes. If at all Ayushman feels that Banisha has picked up something that is incorrect, then Ayushman can just probe in and give her the expert decoded advice. Yeah?
Okay.
Perfect. So let's get started. The first content idea for post it or park it is a post saying, I need a job, please refer me. Quick, quick, quick. We have to be quick. You have said park it.
Park it.
Post it.
Posted. Okay. Interesting. Why
Okay.
posted?
Because I need a job and I need a referral. It's pretty simple, so that's all.
Fair enough. Chalo,
But I
मैं-
want to know, Ayushman, why have you put park it? Like,
I'll
why
tell
is
you
it?
why.
Yeah.
देखो, finding a job or doing a business is very similar to dating in a way. ठीक है? If let's say there is a random guy, मतलब with all due respect, if a random guy comes to you and says कि I want a girlfriend, can you help me find a girlfriend? Will you even like give 2 minutes to the guy? क्योंकि तुम्हें लगेगा कि कितना desperate है इंसान. कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं, कुछ अपने बारे में बताया नहीं, प्रेजेंट नहीं करा, सेल नहीं करा, आप नहीं करोगे. It is so bad that you don't even need a strategy. मतलब you should just skip this whole step only altogether, right?
Okay.
And actually finding a job or doing business is very similar. आप अपने आप को sell कर रहे हो, and the
Yeah.
more desperate you sound and look without having any credibility,
Yeah.
the less chances of you succeeding. So simply park it. इसमें strategy लगा के time भी मत waste करो, कुछ और करो.
ठीक है. Okay.
Okay. I
Lovely.
should not sound desperate.
Yes,
Noted.
yes. So the second idea is a post sharing 3 things the candidate, that is Banisha, has learned while preparing for her interviews.
Need strategy. Post it. ठीक है. Close. Why do you think you should post it straight away?
because I have learned while I was working there, and I think it's a good content and I should post it and share it with the world.
Correct. You should definitely post whatever you have learned, but you don't have to say I learned it while preparing for the interview. You don't have to mention interview part.
Okay.
Present yourself as a smart person. Present yourself as who can do a lot of good things. But once again, the moment you say कि मैं interview के लिए prepare कर रही हूँ, in a way you are once again reflecting कि मेरे को job दो. एक sense of desperation आ रहा है. If I'm
So
a
basically,
random,
not mentioning directly that you did it while the interview prep, but just showcasing from a learning standpoint will be better.
exactly. Just even mentioning कि मैं interview के लिए prepare कर रही थी, it doesn't add anything.
Yeah,
At the same time, it still makes you sound slightly desperate or unemployed.
yeah.
ऐड कुछ नहीं हुआ, बट मे बी किसी के दिमाग में नेगेटिव इंप्रेशन आ गया.
हाँ.
सो डोंट मेंशन दैट. जो करा है वो कॉन्फिडेंस से डालो.
Perfect. Okay, let's move on to idea number 3. A short post explaining a project, internship, or assignment the candidate has worked on. Yeah, I also strongly feel you should just post it.
Post it, no brainer.
I mean, you have to showcase your work, you have to show the things that you've put to application, so no brainer there. Idea number 4, copying a viral trend even if it has nothing to do with the candidate's career goals. Need strategy, post it.
Post it. ठीक है,
Why
fair enough.
post it, यार?
मतलब impressions के लिए I guess it would be good for the impressions. So that's
नहीं, definitely. Even I would say if you don't want to give it a lot of thought, post it. कोई बुराई नहीं है. Strategize थोड़ा कैसे कर सकते हो. कोई चीज अगर वायरल जा ही रही है, ट्रेंडिंग है ही, ट्राई करो जितना ज्यादा हो सके अपने आप से उसको कनेक्ट करने की या ज्यादा रेलेवेंट बनाने की टू व्हाट योर गोल इज.
At least make it personal. Add a personal touch maybe.
But even if you are not able to make it personal, या फिर you don't have the time to think about it, post it.
Yeah.
No harm in it.
Okay.
Got it.
Makes sense. Okay. So the 5th one is a post sharing what kind of role Banisha or a candidate has been targeting for and why. Park it.
Same.
Yeah. Makes sense.
But
Yeah.
फिर
Because,
भी if someone is still thinking why park it, again going back to the dating वाली analogy,
Yeah.
if someone comes to you कि मेरे को actually ऐसी girlfriend चाहिए और इस reason से चाहिए, you'll be like भाई मुझे क्यों बता रहे हो? Plus it still once again sounds desperate.
I'll also add one more thing. I also feel why you should park it is also because it's very plain, right? If you integrate it in a larger topic and talk about what impact you created at work or how something's interesting, you're learning on skills at your workplace, that makes sense. But just talking about a strategy around what kind of a role you're looking for again is just looking like a cold call, right? For a job.
इसको अगर better करना ही है, you can actually tell why you are planning to pivot to a new domain or
Yeah,
industry
yeah.
without mentioning you are going to apply or you are preparing for it. क्योंकि naturally you will look more visionary and someone with a long term mindset. You are just sharing your long term mindset. Don't mention somehow कि मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि मेरे को job चाहिए, ये चाहिए, वो चाहिए.
Yeah, perfect. Let's move on to the last and the final idea. A post summarizing one useful career insight learned from a creator or expert.
Double posted.
Double posted.
Double
I give it a plus 100 thumbs
Double
up. You should
posted.
always do it, right?
And I'll tell you why. क्योंकि अगर तुमने किसी क्रिएटर से कोई चीज सीख ली है एंड सिंपली उस क्रिएटर को अगर तुम मेंशन कर देते हो तो नेचुरली उस क्रिएटर की जो सोशल मीडिया फॉलोइंग है, पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग है, वो नेचुरली आपके पोस्ट को बूस्ट करने में हेल्प करेगा.
करेगी.
एंड इफ ऑन सर्टेन प्लेटफॉर्म्स इफ यू आर एबल टू गेट देम टू लाइक और मेंशन यू इन द कमेंट, तो वो और ज्यादा बूस्ट कर देगा आपके उसको.
Correct. Yeah. And I think it's also a very good way to be able to apply insights that you have learned from people you follow and who are experts. And you never know, tomorrow you may get a chance to work with them as well, right? I'm sure Ayushman, if you notice a good candidate in comments or someone makes a reel and tags you,
Correct.
and you genuinely think ये बंदा अच्छी editing कर रहा है, script writer है, you may end up hiring him at some point.
Definitely.
Yeah. Perfect. So that's a wrap on the gamified segment. Thanks, Banisha and Ayushman. I hope you had a great time. This was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much,
Thank
Banisha.
Thanks. Okay, I think that was a very fun round and I hope you guys enjoyed the game as much as I did.
Yeah.
But I think now it's time to actually show you how practically you can solve for the problem you've been facing, Banisha. How you can have all the updates you need in one place, a decluttered feed, right, where there's no noise. So I'm going to be showing you how Minis looks like, right?
Okay.
When you open the Naukri app, you can find Minis as a tab separately and you will see all the trending updates, right, curated for you in different fields, whether it's artificial intelligence, technology, and all sorts of fields, right? The first post that I can see right away is on resume tips, right? We were talking about resumes as well, and it's basically how your resume is getting rejected for these reasons, right? Which is
Okay.
something that every job seeker wants to know before, let's say, you have a job interview and you're applying for a job or looking for a job switch. The first thing that you would be looking to do is building your resume, right? So this could be really helpful.
Yeah.
Let's see what else do we have on the minis feed. Yeah, I mean, as we can see, just 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, people are talking about different innovations happening in the industries. The resume sections recruiters read before anything else, right? There are polls folks are posting. There are different reads about companies, work life, and interview prep as well. So different creators are creating content, and Manisha, I think this could be a one-stop shop for you. There are suggested top creators as well, like you were mentioning. You have favorite creators that you
Yeah.
follow for advice. So you could come here on the Minis platform and also figure out for yourself who are the creators that resonate with the kind of knowledge that you want to gain, the updates you want, and then you could subscribe to them and get all your updates here in one go on Minis, right? Ayushman, what do you think of this?
I think the UI is quite good.
Yeah.
Like
Their
Instagram
videos
जैसा
as well.
पूरा
Yeah.
UI है.
हाँ.
So I think it's very user friendly in a way.
Yeah.
So पढ़ने में मजा भी आएगा.
Let's probably check out one of the articles, right? Why is your resume getting rejected before a recruiter even sees it? So this has 5.4k reads. So there's also an interesting feature of an AI summary, right? So in case you don't have the time to go through a full length article, you want the summary and gist of it, you get an AI summary also of posts. But yeah, I feel this way it's at least better for job seekers to have everything in one place, learn from the right people, have verified sources, and yeah, just have a more curated corporate career feed. So I think,
Yeah,
Manisha,
right.
you should definitely check it out. It's free to use. And yeah, I'm sure that once you go back and you log on to the Naukri app, this is going to be your one-stop feed to go to now.
Yeah, actually, I think it will be pretty helpful since I already like मैं नौकरी बहुत खोलती हूँ, and now that I have a feed curated just for corporate people, I think it will work just wonders for me.
Yeah, yeah. Perfect. Okay. With that, we come to an end of this episode. But before you leave, Ayushman, any key takeaways for the audience from the episode and any advice for job seekers in general to stand out in the job market today?
For sure, yeah. I think anyone who is looking for a job, especially in 2026 in the AI era, you need to use AI for only two things. First and foremost, आप अपने आप को genuinely ज़्यादा upskill करो and अपने आप को ज़्यादा productive बनाओ by using AI tools. Don't go the route कि मेरा skill level उतना ही है, मैं बस AI को use करूँगा अपने आप को better दिखाने के लिए. The more you actually know how to use AI, the better you will naturally become. Secondly, there are a lot of AI tools out there जो आपको directly jobs को ढूंढने में, jobs को filter करके directly apply करने में help करते हैं. तो AI को इन दोनों चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करो. Number 1 to genuinely upskill yourself and number 2 to find jobs at scale जिसके लिए आप apply कर सकते हो. And I think one of the best thing is that Naukri Minis is an amazing platform क्योंकि अब यहाँ पे आपको एक curated information मिलती है on how you can basically become more employable and you can find the jobs also. Because if you use any other social media platform, even if you follow any creator, the biggest problem is कि वहाँ पे अलग-अलग reels आती रहेंगी.
Correct.
So you are anyway getting distracted and your
Yeah.
mind whenever you open a social media is not focused towards learning. It's
Yeah.
for entertainment.
Right.
But whenever you will open Naukri Minis, naturally you will be focused towards learning and your whole 5 or 10 minutes of scrolling
Yeah.
will actually be productive.
True.
So Naukri Minis is the only doom scrolling which will genuinely help you. That is what I believe.
I agree, and I think just one last advice, Banisha, also for you and all the job seekers who are watching this and listening to us. I feel it's also very important to know that you have to always keep upskilling yourself today, right? The ultimate point of all of this is the world is moving ahead at a very fast pace. AI is advancing before we can even catch up to it. And forget AI, there are so many technologies. People are also getting more competent, which is great, but which means there's a lot of competition. And to stay ahead of the competition as a job seeker, you need to continuously upskill and stay updated. Continuous learning is the way to go. Hence, it's even the more important to follow the right people, have a curated feed, and keep learning and upskilling. Not just via content, you can take up courses, you can do internships, do projects, maybe volunteer with a startup, work with founders. The idea is to have a very good portfolio of work ahead of you, which speaks for itself, right? That's how you stand out as a job seeker today. And with that, I want to thank Ayushman and Banisha for
Thank you
joining
so much.
us
Thank you.
in
Thank
this
you for
episode.
inviting.
No, my pleasure. And yes, for every one of you who have stuck around till this very point, thank you so much. That's it for this episode, but we will see you in yet another episode of Naukri 360 presents Career Ka Control Room. Until then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Dharya Decodes channel. I'll see you in the next one.